Here's a 2015 Lexus RX 350. This RX 350 is luxury without apology. Sink into the driver's seat and experience its intense elegance. And with features like these, every drive is a pleasure. Integrated navigation system with voice activation, doors and push-button start proximity key, dual zone climate control, auto-dimming rearview mirror, wireless phone connectivity, power telescoping steering column, V6 engine, aluminum wheels, gas pressurized shocks, and power heated mirrors. Of the RX 350, Edmunds.com highlights its high-grade cabin furnishings, luxury sedan ride, user-friendly high-tech features, rock-solid reliability, history, and excellent dealer service. Live a lifestyle that leaves a lasting impression in this Lexus. Take it for a test drive today.
Experience luxury at its highest level. Conveniently located at 16100 Wayzata Boulevard in Wayzata, Minnesota.